Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to load film into a vintage film camera. First of all, it might differ a little bit based on your model that you are using for photography, but the idea and the process is the same for all of the film cameras that are out there. First of all, you have to open the backplate. For my camera, this is how it goes. And once the backplate is open, you're going to take your roll of film, open it. Currently I'm using a Kodacolor Gold 200. And you have to load this film on the left-hand side. For your camera, the film might go into the right-hand side of the camera, but this doesn't really make a difference because the next part is the same. Now, you're going to pull out a little bit from your roll of film, like so. And then on the other side, you will find the take-up spool. As you can see, this has a little slit inside of it, and you're going to insert this tiny part of the film inside of that slit. You want to hold this very tight so it doesn't jump out. Now you can turn this a few times, a little bit, like this, so it takes it up. And now you can close the back side of your camera, lock the base plate in, and now you just have to roll it once again until it clicks. Take a dummy shot, and then start your photography. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.